We are in our ocean view suite at the Panama Jack Cancun Resort.
Yes.
Yay.
Yeah.
And it is, isn't it?
I love it.
I do too. We'll have a video of what the room looks like so you can check that out because our bed is over there, the ocean is over there, and it's just gorgeous right now.
Beautiful blue. There are about 4 different shades of blue right now between the sky and the ocean. You know, further away is darker and then lighter, closer to the coast. It's just gorgeous.
Good morning. It's like 6 something in the morning. I haven't really done anything, but I am enjoying. I've done this about every morning. I wake up super early so that I can enjoy the sunrise, and it is so beautiful here. The Cancun Panama Jack Resort is just gorgeous. It has about 480 suites, and it accommodates whether you are traveling with a couple or if you have a family because they have a dedicated kids area. It's an all-inclusive resort. If you've been on my channel, you know that I love things that are all-inclusive because once you get there, you don't have to pay for a single thing unless you want to add some extras. The beach is obviously gorgeous with beautiful white sands that they take care of every single morning, and they make sure that their resort looks gorgeous by day and at night. Like, I was so stunned by how pretty the resort looked at night. So if you are thinking about going to Cancun Resort or adding it to your travel list, make sure to keep watching so you can see all of the fun things that they have as far as entertainment and food. Oh my goodness, and food. I'm so excited. We just got back to our room. We did the funky retro show, and it was actually pretty cool. When we sat down, there weren't a lot of people in there, and we were like, are we gonna stay? After things got started, it was actually pretty awesome. I'll play some clips of that. Granted, the dancing wasn't any better. Stop laughing. She's already laughing. The dancing wasn't all that great. I'm gonna be honest. Especially, yeah, the dancing wasn't great. But there was this couple who did all this acrobatics, and that was just phenomenal. Like, they belong on one of those cruise ships. Every night at this resort, they have some sort of entertainment, whether it's acrobatics, whether it's, a lot of it involved dancing. Some of them had like girls with hula hoops, that some of them had a circus theme like you're watching now. There is one night where the shows are held outside at an open barbecue buffet, and that was amazing because during the buffet they are singing, dancing, inviting people up to dance, and it was really cool to get that inclusiveness and that exciting kind of community feel out there. And that night happened to be the night that they were doing things with turtles. So they hatched turtles on the beach because they tried to help the turtles grow, and it was nice to see that portion of things. But this is like the view of the party from our room, so you can still see it from our room. You can be up front and you can see people heading out to see the turtles. But it was just all around a really, really cool experience because after this barbecue out on the beach, they also had a crazy fire show. Favorite part about any trip that I do is food. I really can't get over food, and Panama Jack did not disappoint in the food department. They had so many different buffet options. You could have omelets made for you each morning. They had a nice coffee shop. They had some really artistic foods at the different places that we went to. So I was pleasantly surprised by the food that they had. I really didn't expect like this level of visual presentation. And it tasted good, because sometimes, you get the pretty food and it doesn't taste good, but their food actually tasted good. And there is a restaurant where they'll make the guacamole for you right in front of your face. And when the waiter we had found out that I make videos for YouTube, he said, okay, I'm making you this drink. Granted, I don't really drink coffee or alcohol, so it was kind of funny because he was so set on making me this drink that was quite a visual presentation. I'm not gonna lie, it was so cool. So I was so happy that I had a front row seat to watch it. It was the only restaurant that we ate at twice, besides the buffet. When people had this drink the first night we were there, we were like, what is going on? Like, how do we order this drink? Although we don't really want to drink it all, but like, it just looks so cool. So it was the coolest part of almost everything. So it was just a lot of fire happened during our trip, from the fire show to our drink being on fire to just having a firely amazing time. That was such a corny joke. It is so hot out here. I did not want to do that 12-minute parasailing ride without being properly hydrated because I was starting to feel weird already. But we dropped off our towels, and at the towel place he saw my GoPro. He said, you know, you can do the parasailing where you're sitting in the seat. We were actually planning on doing the one over there where you're in a harness, but
So it's going to be different.
it is going to be different. We've done the harness before.
Yes.
So we said, you know what, we're in Cancun, we're trying new things, let's just go ahead and do it. Well, no, not we. I will say, my mom wanted to do this. I was very much ready to just sit down
I had to
and not.
convince her to get up with me.
It didn't take too much though.
Since yesterday?
You weren't ready to go yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, but
But I did tell her, I was like, hey, when you're ready to go, let's go. And she said, she did not wait. She was like, if she said go, we're going now.
Taking advantage of this.
Yeah. So what it looks like is going to happen is, after waiting here, we're going to go out to the beach. They're going to take us on a jet ski, which actually we can show the people going now. We just chatted with them for a bit. They're going to take us out to that boat. And you said you don't get wet, but they're definitely getting wet right now. And then they're going to take us up parasailing. I didn't ask them how long it's supposed to be. The other one said 12 minutes, so we'll see how long this one is. But yeah, we're excited. Like I always say, but parasailing is fun because we've done it before, but never in Cancun. The only time we've done it was in Catalina. Next, you need to go paragliding.
Paragliding.
Paragliding is fun. I did that in Austria. So
Saw that in Alaska.
yeah, we should do it. We should do it at home. That's true. Anyway,
Not that twist one.
no, that was a weird. Well, that's a story for another day. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready to go parasailing.
I'll do it again.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun.
It was.
Yes. A ton of fun.
Well worth it.
Now it's time to find some food.
Hungry.
And I got my hot chocolate. I know it's like 80 degrees outside, but they have hot chocolate, so I figured why not. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos.